up, mommy?
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Krissy Love, and I am here with Kaylin right now. We're here because we're going to do a seafood boil. We're just going to use shrimp. We're not going to use crab or anything. What are you doing? I just found my gold one, and I have been wearing my Kaden one, and I don't want to take it off, and it's all tangled, and it's just a mess. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the ingredients we're going to use, and I'm going to try to record as much as I can. Kaylin, I'm like, that headband is just coming all the time. That headband is not staying on your head, huh? No. So yeah, like I said, we're going to show the ingredients, try to record as much as I can making everything. Beyond's sleeping right now, so I'm just going to probably be Kaylin for now. Don't wake him up. So here's a couple of the seasonings. So it's kind of hard to see everything. I'm just going to go over it really quick. Potatoes, the other bag I'm going to use, the corn, the bowl that I'm going to use to mix it. This is going to be for the salt and pepper. And then we have the shrimp going over here. Okay, so the main seasonings I'm going to be using are cayenne pepper, Old Bay, paprika, so there, calm down, mama, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger, and minced garlic. So we normally only eat turkey, but I feel like to get it closer to the flavor, I'm going to use beef. And then mini red potatoes, so I don't have to do so much cutting up. I'm just going to use like probably, oh my gosh, Kaylin. I'm going to use these. I'm going to try to do it in the oven. I spoke with my friend. She did tell me that you can use less sauce, so it's probably going to be more juicier. And if I use it in the oven, I'm going to feed you right now. Seconds, mama. Just went ahead and got like a basic corn, only because Davion's not going to eat it. He doesn't like corn, so I just got it for myself. I have 2 pounds of shrimp going, because normally when we go to like the seafood place, we both get a pound each, so I figure this will be just enough. One more thing I'm actually going to be using too in trying is Coca-Cola. I watched a well-known YouTuber, I forgot how to say her name, but she's like super queen of like seafood. And she said she put Coca-Cola in hers. So you guys, look at Kaylin. She's all flopped over. She did not want to be. She was no parts of this. Look how she is on me now. Mama, why are you so? What's wrong? What's wrong? Tell the people what's wrong. You don't know? Okay, so we all done recording. We'll be back in a little bit, okay? So here we are. We have the red potatoes here soaking. We have the shrimp that's peeled now. And soaking in water as well. And then we also have a couple of corn. I didn't put a lot of corn because, like I said, Davion I don't think he's going to eat any, so I didn't want to waste any, so I just put a couple. And then like I'll probably eat 2, then if he wants to try, he can have one. Wow, I forgot the main ingredient, you guys. Butter, of course. I got unsalted because I realized when I did like a little tester sauce yesterday, it was really salty, so I figured since the main ingredient is pretty much like salt and garlic, I got unsalted this time so I can see how it makes a difference. So I went ahead and put the seasonings in. Pretty sure I'm going to need more, but I don't know. Just like as a tester, I guess. I have all the seasonings here. I believe that's cayenne, paprika, little pepper, garlic, salt, garlic powder, base seasoning, and then a little bit of Tony's. Ahead and put the ginger and garlic together in the same container since they're both wet products, and then I just left these by themselves. And then this is going to be the unsalted butter I'm going to use. If I need more, I don't think I should, but if I do, I have butter as well, but it's salted, so I'll just add that in. I went ahead and made the executive decision that I'm going to actually do the potatoes first. I don't know, this is my first time making it. I actually didn't even really look up any instructions too much. I just kind of skimmed through a couple things, so I don't really know what goes first and what doesn't. But I figured I would do the potatoes by themselves because they're gonna be hard, they're gonna take longer to cook versus like the shrimp and stuff. So I'll just add these in at the end and then they'll just soak in the flavor more. Nice. So I let Davion taste it. He said it's actually kind of salty. I don't know. I like it. I told him he has to remember that it's actually going to go on the shrimp. But I don't even know if I should add more seasoning or if I should just trust that he didn't like it and then go from there. I feel like it could be a little hotter actually. So I'm probably gonna add a little more hot to it. And then I'm gonna put it in the bags, put it in the oven, I'll put it on the tray for the oven, and I'm gonna go show you guys that. I went ahead and preheated the oven to 400, so that's just my preference. You guys can put whatever you feel is correct for you guys, but I put 400. So here's the sauce. You can kind of see the separation. That is the sauce right there. Let me try to stir it up a little so you can see a mix. So the food's in the oven and I'm super excited about it. It looks really yummy. I think I'm gonna really enjoy editing this video because this is like one of my favorite dishes and it's just so amazing that I actually know how to make it now. So Davion and Kaylin's taking a little cat nap. She's actually up kind of. I'll show you guys the final product soon, and hopefully it tastes as yummy as the sauce tastes. So I feel like once you get the sauce down, everything else should be good. So let's see. For me, I do 1 glass of water, and then for that I do it to a half of rice. So I'm gonna that was the finished product. I got a glare on my glasses. Glasses life. So we're about to eat now. I just fed Kaylin, so she should be good while we eat. Say hi, mama. No? Oh, okay. She don't want to. Davion walking behind us. See you guys later, and thanks for tuning in. Hope I taught someone how to cook. I don't know. So bye. Bye. We get it to 109, 110.
Yeah, well, keep praying for me, man. Keep praying for your grandma. I'm getting up there. Shoot, I'm almost 85.
That's pretty young still. I don't know, my mind it is.
You don't know nobody else that old, right?
I feel like once you hit 90, that's like old. Like that's getting old.
Yeah, well, I'm getting close. You're getting your 80s, shoot. You know? All right, sweetheart.